The fact that life expectancy is higher in some places of the world is a topic that interests both the general public and scientists. Long-term research has shown that healthy eating habits and active lifestyles contribute to a long and active life. The following foods are consumed by those who live the longest in the world. The Blue Zone consists of 5 distinct parts of the world and is known as the healthiest regions in the world. It is characterized as the place where people with the longest life expectancy live. These 5 regions are the Nicoya Peninsula in Costa Rica, Nicoya Island in Greece, Okinawa Island in Japan, Sardinia Island in Italy, and Loma Linda Town in the USA. And even if each location eats various meals that are exclusive to them and their way of life, it might be useful to learn about the foods they eat to see what we can include in our lives to be a little bit healthier. Although people in these areas have longer life expectancies due to genetics, research indicates that the major secrets to longevity are diet, stress levels, and exercise levels. In addition to eating their largest meals in the morning and their lightest meals in the evening, people in this region also avoid consuming food after dinner. We can claim that people in the Blue Zone do not snack very often or that they do not follow the typical high-calorie diet. But you may practice some eating behaviors by perusing your selection of snacks. You can choose healthier alternatives to replace overly processed snack items. The world's longest living individuals consume some of the following items on a daily basis. Black beans. It's interesting to think of eating it as a snack, but you can also enjoy it as a light salad with your favorite spices in between meals. As a result, you can modify your daily portions. Black beans are often regarded as one of the healthiest foods. It is a plant-based source of protein and has been shown to decrease cholesterol, enhance digestive and intestinal health, promote brain and cognitive function, and help regulate blood sugar levels. It is also very high in fiber. Nuts. Hazelnut is one of the common snacking habits of people living in this region. For instance, a National Geographic article claims that Adventists in Loma Linda who regularly consume nuts have longer life expectancies, lower cholesterol levels, less inflammation, and lower blood pressure than those who do not. According to a study from the American Journal of Lifestyle Medicine, all 5 Blue Zone tribes eat largely plants and rarely any meat. As a result, they mostly get their dietary fat from foods like nuts and olive oil. Toast with whole grain. Another thing that all of the world's longest living individuals have in common is that they do not consume white bread. Whole grain breads are preferred in Blue Zone localities. Toast made from delicious whole grain bread cooked with cheese and tomatoes can be taken as a snack or a light supper if you're looking for a quick snack and you need carbs. Avocado. Avocados are a common food among the Adventists of Loma Linda. This community gets extra potassium through the consumption of avocados, so they can keep their blood pressure levels to a minimum. This reduces the risk of high blood pressure. It has long been recognized that avocados are good for the heart. A 2019 Penn State study discovered that consuming 1 avocado per day can help decrease LDL cholesterol. Banana. The Nicoyan people consume bananas on a daily basis, which has a significant positive impact on their health. Bananas have high potassium, vitamin C, and fiber content. Consuming enough fiber throughout the day is an essential element of any healthy diet plan. High fiber consumption is one of the characteristics shared by people living in Blue Zone areas. This can improve your heart health and even help reduce your chance of developing some cancers. Chickpeas. The chickpea is often consumed in Nicoya and Sardinia, and it is widely used in soups, snacks, and major meals as part of the roasting process. Chickpeas are high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. This snack is healthy and plant-based. They have also been discovered to improve digestion, decrease cholesterol, and cut the risk of cancer. Coffee. Another characteristic shared by residents of the Blue Zone is their love of coffee. But drinking black coffee first thing in the morning is crucial. People often prefer coffee in this area. A warm cup of coffee in the morning can enhance your energy, lower inflammation, lower your chance of developing chronic diseases, and even benefit your heart health. Tea. If you don't drink a lot of coffee or prefer to avoid higher doses of caffeine, tea might be a good midday beverage. According to National Geographic, members of the Okinawa community in Japan frequently drink green tea and flavor it with jasmine and turmeric. In the long run, drinking green tea may help enhance your brain health as well as reduce your chance of developing certain cancers and inflammation in the body. While green tea is among the healthiest choices, many other black and herbal teas are also very beneficial for your health. Olive oil. The Icarians enjoy using olive oil every day. Extra virgin olive oil provides a long range of scientifically documented health advantages, according to a paper in the journal Nutrients. Studies have shown that olive oil's anti-inflammatory characteristics can improve your overall health and help you control your weight, blood pressure, and risk of some cancers. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay well, stay healthy. See you on better days.